Alright, y'all. I'm back again. You see what I'm doing? Chicken breasts and green beans. Alright, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about this meal for today. One of my subscribers wanted me to do it for her, so that's what I'm doing. So let me know what y'all think about it. Alright, let me know what you think about the meal for today. Alright, stand by. I'll be right back with the end results. Mr. Elwood video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button. And I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I'm back with the end results of the chicken breast and green bean on the grill. Yes, you see how I'm doing? Yes. There you go. Tell me what y'all think about it. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about this meal for today. We hit that like button, smash it. Boom. Come on now, hit it. Alright, let me know what y'all think about the meal for today. Alright, y'all. Be good, be safe, and I'm out. You know what time it is. I ain't got time talking no more because I got to go. Peace.